Ofie Kwanso. Ofie Kwanso.
Justice. 106.3.
Esiane kajanya seda. I refrain one nipa home. And so damn me buy and say, me remfi papa why me. Esiane kajanya seda. I refrain one nipa home. Adia ba kona mesrele say, me remfi papa why me. Na se mi pum pum kosha mechi. Baby I'm friend, baby I'm ready. Or therefore, why now better me on your way. I said you so stand back and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you. That's right. I said me boom pom kosha mechi. Baby I'm friend, baby I'm ready. Or therefore, why now better me on your way. I said me so stand back and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you. It's money.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
So you held me close, so closer than a brother, so closer than a brother. Truth is, I gave up on myself, 'cause my back was against the wall, and it was on you now, but I gave you a call, and you answered my prayer at once. You made a way.
Ofie Kwanso, with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
You made a way 1, 2, 3, and 4. Me boom boom boom, oh je me chi. Baby I'm friend, baby I'm ready. Oh therefore, why now better me away. Hey, I said me so stand back and take account. Oh therefore, wait yeah, it had to be you.
Boy, and in my assuming you been a soon. Sepine sua, Kabum send my prepare. Sepine sua, Kabum send me quadinio. Yeah, me and you been a how.
Ofie Kwanso, with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Sister, c'est be down soir, quand vous c'est ma prépa. C'est be down soir, quand catch me c'est mi ya mesum. Bien na mi bradia ya man. Bien na mi eswa ya man. Senhor Dr. Jesus, Yanka Sabri, my son. Oh, we are born. I'm a near to me, a sunny or however, Miss Sweet. says, yeah, come the fears in there. Ain't it some soon? Yes, mamma, soon. So me kaka. Atia waya mamia, a proma bisu. Ubia wani hawa dani so. Ibidiye ya warisem, ibidiye ya jumasem. Ibisu ohiyo bao, ibisu ekabiye dani sutra. Ubi hauni se, ubeja ikrono bo. Ubisu dieni se, ubeja insari. So the NSA go page masturbation. That's why ya meaning out to me. Now say yes, who I didn't have him. We'll see when ya me some hair. Oh, yeah, that he said, yeah, how do you be there? How? Yeah, anyhow. Oh, beyond nothing new. Oh, be a museum with some years so I'll push you.
Ofie Kwanso, with me and Jeff Adom 106.3 FM.
Elder Amwako right there. Bringing time to 34 after 3 on Ghana's #1 radio station, Adom 106.3 FM. Good afternoon. Memawaha. Na mesama wa kwaba. Eba Ofie Kwanso so. For today, Tuesday, the 5th of January 2021. Yeah. Mema rain free say no ten free sabre ya kopim say bebo enwumre no nsia sharp near the kaseba bro news papa naked sa na friend no edem ba kope what I say there con there be na ha na beti no right here from me Jerry Justice area Papa Bills wa Chief Africans who are Rasta, you know. Sanso and Jamestown J. Cole, and Swaha, Prince and so it's also a way the natchez and one. Yan Chanshi, Yanuan, your chrono. 2021, and Yashas and Kitty Makacho said this year no darling. You're calling massive. But I said, and Ram, a kind of. Yasha finance for frono. Ya the near man be remu kakra baku mienu miensa na ye kwa. Enti said na ye ba be di Christmas ni New Year ni mu no. Ye break ye na fi adna ye nwom nko a na dwadi ni nanam kakra no. Yasha si enwom no be mo na de jo tata. Na dwadi ni nanamu a na fe programs na say segments ahodo no eno so ye koswa di rerem kakra sa kopem se bebo ma etie bia na wo hwe nim kwa say ndey aye Tuesday dey nke be ho adu na ye the confessions abro na wo transa me adu one next week you be crash mu ama why Jesus de wunya na wanya de nyina odo Jesus on ponipa eba try fast that kese ma Bell Beverages say what the Bell Chapman etai enchire Bell Chapman Papa we're special cocktail available in 330 and then 500 ml bottles lime blackcurrant lemon low in sugar vitamins so tell me the chapo 1 pack the only 16 bottles for a very cool price cry available at shops and stores and supermarkets how do you name the door pan of Fred Bell Beverages on 055 538 5800 and our face 055 538 5900 Bell Chapman for life's happy moments. Afetie Dominion herbal powder. Wow, we hear vim. Immune system no say betimi agina banane. Na aquatia infections awodo nyina no. You can food Dominion herbal powder man. A sign of one normalize blood pressure. Wow, heart or kidney related problems so you free or we are Juma Kitua Biana bread, Biana Honam Yina ya stroke ni diabetes. Which you bremu yet me to do no Dominion about powder. Why are you money in area? Also, no powder no. Only teaspoon and sebi de goose or shame. Who can one we say a Joanna ball and you may repeat the same thing. Both say such a my papa and a boss it's never. Ubenya be a chair crying. Oh, me, I don't have a new or my fan, baby. dodo pa no hwehwe Angel Dominion about center chia kwan e won koko enye sa frɛ 0543 158 195 ana 020 429 6449 dodo bi onye bi e de besomo Dominion about powder, your number 1 immune booster. Chebian so special your best sign ashase your best ashase your best ashase say your day sing along the bro die yi nwum ba kusiwa samukai eno so chebia ebe ba so den nyame ya adom a next week there bibia be set ento ankopim se next week be ba no na spices ni na spices ni na be shewa by next week there ebe fa Jesus now, in fact, my share video be ama me ho adwiri pa. Na later on me the video no be ma James Town Jeko. Na wa run video no on our Facebook page. So for now, just join us on Facebook. Na eduwa won hu de ekro no. Na wa share say anya bia say eye wo anka obede. Hey. Story ni na ne say police officer on the normal duty a obo adwuma. Na ohun say car bi I say 4x4 bi na in fact I say car no movement ni ade no enko ni ye and no yes say driver ni pull over na che say onye ni checks 1 or 2 now police ni no yes say or hwe no ni driver na kasa so make sure online is everything okay ni ade conversation course na no and ohun say oba ba ko so te car ni front ho na de ekoso de and the police ni nko na nani hu yi and o catch driver ni say o send bebre on si form na on fa ne san cost say de obehu ni nsa sa America de tuo sem ni ade nti wa anye no be say mama hu nsa wa hwe ya na afa ho etiampa driver ni si form no so on fa ne san tie car no ngina and order I say oba no so significant no so major no so fa nsan tie car no na ohuni sa and o search be man no na hwe say etuo bi ani ne ho ana bibia so e clean who say yes bibia than normal and obisa say na obayi anu nam yi and pen do say ni a che say woni ye de amu ye no so obayi yi kakra ni ni ade no sa a che say mu de tie o so ho I say usu o so ho no so okay and I come say na o check me an no so de me mpra twemu asem de anke fa ho be so no problem you do as I say je wa no so okay na enti enema yesi we oba ne nema na o kan nu o say yibra and oyi oba ne nema na fi kan mu epie o say ni phone so no no o say ye no so bra oji oba ne nema na odisi kwanchen e wo fom ho and o catch be man say on tena kan mu na oduno nko no bet we are super ni na no ba ne sa guso tai car no ho and o catch o ba say on connect o moving away from the car kakra na car ni betu we there as a kantanga car no say wow you jira machi so na me ba machi etiampa oba no ko na chika car o catch be man say on two car no nko no bechi mo ena be man two car away no ko e car police ni ne oba ni jira no bi say enti obra wo mu aboni Inti sana ten or bands business. Ah, really? It was one my bema ejamia or TV say. Oh yes. For phone ne from mommy. Ne catch your mommy say o me foul. Now mommy before we are catch and say on no mrefie na onyama na ka o me fie ono no o me fan konka. Say police ni no say na ire e na no ne akwa no. Oh, there was a time. Yo. Jesus. We are saying never be adrio. We'll show you the video. Now, a man for wrong, a man for that video, no say the police in the air, no, why ya then I say, or abuse a partner, or a police need you. Ah, yeah, now graduate you want you to. Why, dear partner was a small boy, you use your dinner, share. ABC do and one, not me be sassa, Anka obey a day. Yes, so one now your police Nina. Wow, wife pa. Ah, yo, come. Me mom dem twins the police no why ya there pa. Osaba so bo. Kwaso obi grand rank aso trouble aku bi grab besu ni ade. Oba na wa mono, be ma na wa anya ne da bi. Osi be ma, wo de tu ga na ko wa tu. Oh my. All right, ladies and gentlemen, check it out time now. It's 3:45. And I'm glad to announce to you that my dear Ohima Messi is back, y'all. Yes. And this is a new joint from Ohima Messi. She calls this one Jesus. Jesus. Ohima Messi. Brand new. Produced by KY. And it features MOG. That's right. Sing for me. Sing for me. Come on. That's right, y'all. Come on.
and more.
That's right. And that's the new one from Ohima Messi. Featuring MOG. Jesus. Charlie, yes, I enjoying one more time. Yeah, enjoying one more time. Yeah. Oh, man. I'm loving this one.
This is Adom 106.3.
Sing for me. Sing for me. Sing for me. I love it. I love it. I don't know about you, but it's a beautiful song. Brand new Ohima Messi. Yes. Jesus and it features MOG, produced by Kewa. Nice song. Now, the only say, na me no air video. Jeko, I'm trying to forward the video for you now. But I'm say found soon. Yes, always. Eh? African, Bejina mo ade on be ni bia mo na me wrong. Say ja, mo na muni mo ade ni muni ade. Okay, so this is the video, eh? This is the video. Where is it? Atie for munya abote man why na. Yes, what ya? Me pese me jima adwen show adum pa. This is the video. So how do I use iPhone or can we airdrop him out? Me okay. No, but also you know via WhatsApp no we can say okay. So bet me I compress it, right? Try and work on it and then okay. Enti the way say mo am joining on Facebook no. Bet me my adventure number, but kakra dey we be phone lines so na ya hwe just do or you mail it to yourself. Say mail the bit me or what? So try you do whatever you want to do, but you intend to find phone breme. All right, Eti the omune say the next thing I'm about to do to is on the phone. Eti fast. You ba be hwe asemo e de betu ho fo ne e wo dwumedi no so. Na you win is apa na yekoye ni mu a betiti nwum kakra de agege ho tata. Na madika aka say ya hye fresh year na sesa no ya baby bia kakra and as we move on na itwetwa hye mu a and I'm seeing some comments here my main kakra mfafam na yenkoye ni mu on Facebook and if you want change Jennifer Golda Sapon or say wow powerful song it got to be powerful. Mercy, what I say. Nana Taylor, I say happy new year. I hope this year you read my messages. My love to you. You read my messages. Come on, then my love to you. I say okay. Well, sure. And as I make say really when you Emmanuel Jiwonu. I'll say thanks. Want to thank God for today. And I feel Mary Ameya. I'll say good morning, everyone. To watch your good morning, say it. Not just a wow, baby. Or defeat or the eba. I'll say I'm watching live from Missouri or America. I want to thank God for my life and my family as well. And also or the eba. I don't know. And then as we move on, Sheila Santi will say you are great. Okay, Judith Jifa Tay, I'll say a happy new year, Jerry. Many happy returns, dear. Princess Joyce Akosia Margary, I'll say blah Jelly. Blah Jerry. Bomo me blah na am ye jelly until the end the blah Jerry. And I was Nina ye. Adom Essie. I hope so dinner. I'll say hallelujah. Adom is my name and I'm watching you live from Aflao. And then I ain't Aflao for you na it be so come yeah I'm a more. Yeah, my heart is with you, yeah. Still praying with you. Be a fine. Alright. Okay. Wise Ahosu. Or see, oh God. Oh God says it. Ekuya Harry. I also say, Brad Jerry, I'm Ekuya. And I really like your show. All right, thank you so much for liking the show. All right, and then Sprite Kid, I said, Brother, you are looking fantastic this evening. Okay, medawase. Wonder, Esuman, I say Otimimu, not just so him Messi, Numi, who has some okay. You got it. Okay, it's African boy video. No, we'll put it on. Yeah, Facebook on CC Yashena comments near the other. One day someone once again says Jerry is feeling the Otimimu fever. Maybe I know him air damn mo be on say me do what I say. Sarah Love Nyame. I say whoa Brad Jerry I miss you. Yeah, to us go anymore. Ekuya Harry once again. I say whoa, and then Obapa Ellen. I say nice music. Ekuya Harry, idea was or see even your voice, my voice I did. Honest, Alonyo, I say brother Jerry, you have no choice than to love it. Yes, sorry, Otimimu, and then I'll say looking great. You made us say. Ekuya once again say Ofie Kwanso the no size. Rebecca Fusia say Ofie Kwanso there ba ko pe fufu bi anka. And then Jennifer Makan ode no. So let's move on to the next one. Rebecca says it's a very nice song. And then Kweku Ampon or say yes Otimimu. And then Andy Dan or say sa and one no. Nana Kweku Scanty or say Jerry you are looking good. Yo made us say Afe Elijah Nana Kwame Fusu. I said, Brother Jerry, good morning. About the story, but one for the account to us. And then Kofi Inti Prempe. I said, Brother Jerry, Medina now on the Oba. Jenfi Regan on our way regain. Or no, they no Happy New Year emoji no they atoho kama. And then Obapa Ajenim Angela. I say Happy New Year to you all. Only God can't stop you now. Yes, it is true. Sadly, and cry when cry. Only God can, said the work I did. My memory me friend Chumba could never say. And I was wrong, and I miss me call for me. I said, hey, Papa, was wrong? Okay, so only God.
Jim FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
No. All right, so Patrick Achu, Solo, first time seeing this name. Also Jerry Justice near Joe Usu near. Yeah, to ask anyone Samuel Kwame free. Oh, is it what? I say hi Jerry. I'm watching you from Italy. My name is not just a Frino, not just a Frimpon or Kwame Frimpon. Greetings to you. And I say Ampo for J and then Kwame Obade as well. And then Paco Fiando says a happy new year, Jerry. Francis Awuni says I'm watching you live from Tema Community 8 Market. Hey, Community 8 Market from what to say? Sure. Opa, Masa I never open. It do a new almost salad be or down Phyllis obedi the proper food or just salad deep masa a whole years and then woman be so cheap say crab crow say be crab crow and a friend sad na kokona ya mwa bizana na ai brade ja mitwi die no kwa na mada market. Oh my goodness. And then Edriba Egan or say Royal Mama 1 no size cry. Ekuya Jane says my greetings to Kwame and Nase. And then Junior Figo and also say the police needs to be promoted to IGP for this patient's unyae. Anyway, and then Mami Yaya Boa says thank God for today. I love it when you smile. So and you always love it because smile and then laughter no. Or you might agree, say hi Jerry. And then Paco Fiando once again says today is my first time listening to this song, but the song is very, 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 very powerful. Yes, it's a powerful song. Me chiro fake. What I say? Me chiro say adi muya you know what I'm saying? Antonia Gray, I said, Roger, keep on with the hard work. Okay. Jennifer, yeah, can't the end of that. And then Jemima and Ponsa, I see that beautiful heart you're holding over there, yeah. And then Nana, the Fancy Commando. I say happy New Year to you, Brad Jerry. I really love the song. Mavis in Safwa. I say okay. As you are reading the message, let me say Afishapa to all from Vicenza, and not just say Idli Assembly came. And then Patrick, I not just say policeman want to leave his wife, and that is the right time for him to leave her. And I want to say, you have it now. Okay, so more am I joining you on Facebook already? No, yeah, the video no towards is here. You can watch the video. the story I told you about earlier, involving the policeman and the wife and also Panano. So you can watch the video yourself. Now, why analyze it, because people are saying, say, police, call too much. He went too far. If you say, there be or conducting who ye because it will be a massa. Or that ceremony, area some will be for a different case. Why you grab bomb crank or better than you do? Now, what you may say, it means why are they? What's your view on this? Join us on Facebook now. The video is there. Just watch the video. Now we are for our comments not all. I'll come back. Now my baby kind, but maybe phone lines no so. Now Maggie amount for our drink share or more intimate form comment and now say more money access to Facebook and bet me channel. The story has it that and in the video police near the routine a year or year na no. And car be now why suspicious kakra say or my driver na gina now why and normal checks here police for check here. So whilst talking to the driver, I say, "Oh, sharing lines is near, I don't know." And no whom lady no at the front no. Dear no, said driver no is simra abonting. To see by na, we said a few questions kakra or searching or share say it will be and shen one year they don't say BBI clean nos now obano on any namne and also name no. For how long near the that you guys been doing it nos now officer we so they can checks no one year then also person who keke. Tieno se oba no sun simra e no oba ne sibae e no mo no so de nensa e betare ka no ho a se onfa ne san kosro to area no che be man say onyi oba no ne ma ne woka no mbra bonten it oyi oba ne ne ma including the phone nyina na odi gu for mo kwan no ho e no catch oba man say on snack no ntu no nko oba man ne snack no tu ye no ko e na ka o ne oba no kwantifio no catch oba say it just say the oye ni we dey say we ni hwe ka bi mu enye hwe from mami na ka show mami say o me fa na o ne ma na aka o me ho no so no o mami me fe no so nko nka ho why and obanas you can't do this udimi ma akwa yi nyame wo ha sa onsu jame wa kwa ampa na police ni ntra ne kam na otuye na po a oja lady no ekwanti view a disachi o be fa ka foforo so be sa friend in plan wa be fa no na only boy no cry get no throw say sa be fa na o be ba there. Now that you realize a police need na say on the ship. Your take on this. More chimpna, more checks and show band background not the background. What's it? All right, so 0302-216-561 0302-216-562. More to me from a comment link on Facebook. No, call me now and then share your thoughts on this one with me. Bra, you guswa. Yeah, of course, when she be a better somewhere due to for you, so Nafi Yakutwaso Queen. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother.
You're from saying?
Yes, I'm Christabel.
All right, Christabel. Why didn't you ask me when they say?
No, my dear friend said the police in the year, no. Because the money business
Okay. Yeah, that's a pa. All right, Tenti, Ubetimia joining on Facebook. The video is there, still rolling. Ubetimia check video, no. Now, watch now, or the comments now, Facebook or no, so why, or you want hello, good afternoon. Sorry, you try beam. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Roger.
Patrick France saying.
Okay, son.
Why didn't you ask me when they say?
Police, right now, I say, what?
Hello? The creditors.
Because Ben and Aquia also job and we only ever be able to marry Aqua to be. And our video.
I said video no one I actually say police for no say camera bomb to say US police for no there. Or more body cam. It's no there supposed to be
the right now.
Okay.
Okay, right.
All right, you. Yeah, that's it. That is a video evidence new there just the way they can hey, massa. Anyway, you trust your friend next call. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, brother.
About your saying?
Yeah, me adwo na bacho na osho
Bibi aboko na your friend saying?
Bacho me the decimal me 500,000 down.
Okay, me bacho yenti we.
Brother, the police in the year, why are they pa? Say police na onkura Gambia when he say man na that moment no.
Police are well armed. Police need a situation but 1 to 2.
And the police wayadi pa.
All right.
Or abotalo home pa.
Okay. All right. You.
It way the abansha no bona baso. Wayadi.
Na one ka betu tu no.
Oh me mpanka tu mpo di shanka matu bomb.
Oh my. Get yourself for your next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Bajari.
Yes, boss. Everyone say.
Francis Amate ne de misaka.
Udem Francis.
Me
all right, go anyway.
After
I think go better way.
Bajari. We yenye izu. Police no wayadi papa. I can Bruce be a bit flow up around.
You we are saying that's it. And you put nana on bet me show also to that extent. Hello,
Bajari.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Bibi Aboko, it's you. Your friend say.
Bless me cause I face.
All right, so bless you too.
The police in wanya
when Tino when piano wanya hey.
You know what I know. I might be a commit channel. On the mammy, I might don't be
Oh man. All right. You all right, now main council. You put down the business no. Anyways, hello. Sorry. Hello. Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, Jerry.
Your friend saying.
I feel a party dikai.
I think come to that teach you na.
My partner pepe.
Okay, me patro yenti we.
Yo, whether my mintia Moses, I was a man kasi akustoba.
Okay.
My fisia pa one akustoba phone.
All right.
Man I'm so call sorry pepe. So you be a mismu ni mo a. For fire on your body instantly. We say we dey anodin but many of am so the other me friend be man na makuli no be family akofi but be man dey wayade
okay
papa me na me say you na ewu die mienu ndi anka me di I say wa kwati oba no wo dem pepepe o so kita be man no say ha me mpra me nenete no say na for oba no bra wa search no say na yi ni nyamagu o na tuko no so ti oja na my friend be man be family ko but be man dey wa kukudu papa.
Okay. All right, yes, we that's it. Mami for 2 calls being counter. Your factory answer. Hello. Yes, good afternoon. Evening. Okay, yeah. Your friend say.
All right,
sister Joa. Hey, me ton catch Bibi Aboko there.
Me friend nya Aboko. Me friend nya.
Ebeyi.
The police ni e noa me oba na so de noa no.
Okay.
Eso wa je tell.
I feel come better. That's it. Bye. All right, next caller, probably my last one. Hello,
Bajari.
Madam, your friend saying.
Yes, friend me Agnes. Me friend free Adenta house on down.
You, me patch you into you.
You. The police me ye no waya die. Nyame na ka na kuma. Ye man no so ye fast ani ye manemu. Ye fam seriously ye fam. Bajari obuame 2011 and then the first day I'm after me in Sakon.
Sir?
Obuame, yes. Sa niema we mono. My did 37 years. 47 years December. Akolaba ku anam niema we monti. Nanka me ko seme ho ahoma. Yes. But me ti ofiti sa time na me ti wo no. Amane subaya si scientific sa time no men yini radio every Adom FM. Yes. Enti. Wa the be man here no. Wa ya die.
All right. That's it. Nyame kan. All right. Now me see my kind Facebook messages no in relation to that particular issue later, but there's one message from Sparkles Abena Akoto. My main single and not out, na main kind. The rest now I'll come back and then read them later. Me person mutie the lady we can Nidino on Facebook Sparkles Abina Akoto. Or say, yeah, wow, the policeman is a bully. I believe he is not even giving the wife the kind of affection and attention she needs. Cause if he really cares, he would have just, taken his wife back home and settle whatever issue. Sister, me kasenka kosa situation now there. I drink channel why? Eliana me kase. Madam for Michael said me say amount for your checks and so much impuna. Say oze obi anu ofiti ya or worry straightforward. Tiye be a me doesn't but you start from somewhere before why? Oh, that's courtship date ya. You the be dey when you plan ya. I be sure about no be ya kakra say mu ye me nka say bia o we no. But say mo be hye ho kakra ansa na mo mu ho ansa ma why. And na me can say e bia branch on the adwempa woni tim say wa hye oso no kama person ne ekonani. Say wonim say oye police officer here. So it na me can say we hye obi na on ne be ye say ya. Na why a background check a crash it no who say baby I nam the whole safe. Yes Anna Okofa commando baby waso be jibruta. And I'll say please wish Davida Ofie Kwanso aka Mame ya a happy birthday for me. May God bless her. And this one came in from Michael on Safeway Champon. And my good friend Askia says, please send me the video. Like me, like I go give the man 20 lashes. And if he says AJ, I will start all over again. Say coming boss I knew as Pepper near Martin. Wooye. And so I acquire HD. Otima kume muzo. I think say it was elodi ade na we ni be na eno title na gaza na otimimu na Jesus no becho ene moment de to we no so how cause there's our bonus Jesus ni be show us happy eti abusia eye otimimu and now, you're from Celestina Blankson, aka Select Waterman Community 5. And now, cry, Unubimo. But Waterman Community 25. Happy birthday to you. Nyame Onsha na said the Yasha for us. I expect great things in our lives as you celebrate your birthday today. Nyame man niema akese mra wakwemu de beye sign beye akwanhia beye ohaw amaninya bia de etwetwam ewo Yesu dim nyame nka ho omo ho ban omo wa ho den pomoden papapa more cash. Cash na very necessary pa. Tinyame fa no so ndomo. Above all, more absolute peace of mind. Enjoy your birthday. Please, I want to wish my loving husband, Mr. Abraham Lincoln Damte of ECG Koforidua, Regional Marketing Officer, a very glorious birthday. Though belated, yesterday was his birthday. I pray for long life, filled with good health and prosperity. We love him so much. From the Damte Lincoln family. Wow. Abroa. Happy birthday to you, Nyame. Onyo kese wate. Onu wabusu nyina. Facebook for Munya Botre. We'll get to you. My kind more comments, no. Our police no issue no and why. The mum sabre de ye hwe ne aboabo e ho na yeti asem we de tu on fo dwumedie so. Da da do 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 do. So as somewhere due to your info, I would you made eso no. Abusuya you as community ni. What brofokase mu asem ne say ships don't sink because of the water around them. Ships sink because of the water that gets in them. Ti asem you remember part 2. Or say ships don't sink because of the water around them. Ships sink because of the water that gets in them. I feel share part 2 no. And who the reason why you can say. Or say don't let what's happening around you get inside you and weigh you down. Don't let what's happening around you get inside you and weigh you down. So what do I say? Very simple. As someone say, Sushain, a ship, I na ye nimu. And now so better see yes ubuntu and now boat. A sin so. And sink it, and now a mem and question someone ensuing fano because of ensuna a trafa ship na boat no. Nemum a sink it and now it mem a top was it because of ensure a beko ship na boat no emu. Nemum when you ensure ne one no. And to so brana wobono. And near ma ACC around you no. And near my coso a foul hono. And massa near mano a moon rawmu. A sans a san near mano a bow rawmua. A bema umu ayedu. Na action akofom untimin cosro. And so as I said, utimi cosro our brabo a ubuim. A toda near my baby to me by your quemu. Na ya massa near mana baby nyat na baby wayemu. Ya jidi ya sheye mu na ye mu edudu ya nam kra ye ntimi nko ade ketewa bi na onyonko bi de ye o asem bi na ote se obi aka fa ho besi ne untimi confront onipa no pomisa ne say na den na oka asem we fa me ho ebetimi abasa ya tesem keke enso wafa sa asem de ahye omu na April na edi unya ade kakra yesi na anu eho abufu ogusu hye omu ma 31st night wako ye shira wo asafu ye wa wo ye wura first mu still ade ne gusu hye omu. You don't want to let go of it. And now and it is weighing you down. You are sinking gradually. Ebe kakra untimi mansuo nani biem. Sa na abrabo ayeboyi etie yede toto eye ship ho a. Ship will never sink. Ensuo na worship no anahwapo kakra kai. Na worship yi say dia dencheche a etimi hia storm kese na ship yi etimi call left na bar right me man hu ship a high seas enam wan no mo hia tidal waves bi pa na e beye say ship a ya hye containers agusu na container ba ku timi mini free ship no so top mu. Yes, yet ship na nkasa mu kura de amem ensuo na afa na nko. No matter the situation, once there's no water getting into the ship, and soon around the ship, it doesn't sink it. Just a BBSC say a mechanical problem be na nunti leakage be timia ko ship num. Na ensure ako more than necessary, and then the ship will begin to sink. San obrana aye bonus wetie. Hwe wo ye nipa, wo ye den, and same be koso around you. Me tiwe sometimes me asem fa me ame ho me ame te asem na san me ame sere na sa yes me na my say na me ama sere ade me sere de say wo ho ani me ha me program go visa say na I'll just throw it away. It was sometimes when you pa kono no ba me che no be kan asem ne che me what say people were saying that thing about me, you know. Maybe that person was expecting say I'll react in a certain manner be and about be me maybe when you pa kono be kan asem che me na de be chikwa me san no pa kono jan din komo yesre. Then they began to wonder say why me fan come and dream ho sa me man niam bi ntete mo abrabom sa eto be dia e se utimi to niam ni bigu just yet say ginamwa buani gusu keke bunani chie keke ne ko ba bi. But also so niema bebre so ahwihwia de niema hye musa na omu edududu enti wani bo nipa nso pekura na yemu ahyew enso me kase wo ho adwen kura ni sa onipa akuni tim e bi kura passing comment bi onipa o ka wi ekura the person doesn't even think about you but wonam ho nyina no onipa no ho adwen bone wo tim because of assembly out enti all this one we think that person dislikes you, that person hates you. And also decide ya na show mu. And now the nam na de boy bra. Free up yourself, free up your soul. Tonia mani bigu. Na ye light. Na what me floaty. Now ye heavy baby and your man be wheel down while you sink. I'm begging you. 2021 way there. And so niema bi so twetwe niema bi nwura mu bebre sa. Medical catch or that that's how you nipa. Things will happen around you. Definitely a kwan bia so. But don't let them get inside of you. Don't let them get into you. Na mama sinke. Mr. Bebre. We any asem we ne. Ye di to your hofo. E man re fi sa asem we da. E no any the very first message. Yetie e wo Ofie Kwanso medie so. Eya futu ada ye di to your hofo. We need the very first one for the year 2021. And rather any jana e kasa wie na me mo no 2 year for but de me akasa me de ma. This is the very first one. And untimi mpese some message we obema na yire firi wa brabum ma enka ho fatu koto dwem fatu trim fa hye wakoma mu ne fa nante na ebeboa o da chi bi hia me obeka se jeri na anu ada no me da wase asem ne say ships don't sink because of the water around them. Ships sink because of the water that gets in them. Don't let what's happening around you get inside you and weigh you down. Medawasi bebre. Eswasida yedema do and Pobiman paint depot. Abusia ene uba na behwe enema egu a ye de mo manfo dansifo a when the beje sound so be abeje de me de prices no kra na ekumi no hwe opa komia tonton building materials na compare prices ne be piem e wo door master and Pobima paint depot ubo sampa ye de ne do from kra the coolest kra and you bet me enjoy between 5 and 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology. You have over 100 designs and colors you bet me choose from. Exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armor doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors, just any kind of door be out PBR available. Oba paint depot once now. And they near country representative at the news paint. Na say institutions, churches, name schools, name offices, government institutions, any individuals, contractors there feel so formal for near the real estate developers and they say brand be paint two dino. Na later no be tueka. It a paint now, pay later with no interest. Ye Euro standard news painting a range from a acrylic to emulsion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, a fair waterproofing, damp-proofing, wallpaper, wall primers, na fair so potty ne. Just a paint accessories ne there. Pinano, ya swear wa, and now ubenu nature coin. Ubehu yen, ewo Pobima, yo Pobima tobutu na. In fact, so jump tobutu when you to shop on the Accra Kumasi highway. About you bet me afraid 0542 745 222 and I'll fee 050 021 2447. Now on a door master and Pobima paint depot Eddie Ekitown. As they do, young farmer police dinner druno in boost herbal mixture. In boost herbal mixture. Pa. A dry mouth immune system no one ding a bring na a jina brane. Yarabia man home so say no I cannot told him one time. Media me say a drone so nyadru so yadru ne sentine say wo yare a utimi nom on yare nso a utimi nom na ni nyina no eboa ema general well-being no ejina brane pa akutia yare wa wodo a ahinta woni padua mu a wa akra wonya huye nyina na ma hwan ye den abre nyina obenya bi ato Little George Health Shop Tema Community 5 Afe Health Alert Shop at St. John's. All Tinatet and dependable bar shops across the country. King's Walk Herbal, Okanshi Drug Lane, Afe Ekus Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, Honina, Ebio, yes, our friend 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. You best sort it out one time. MTN says say self-activation and aircraft. It is Sunday, opese or activate MTN Momo. Phone no just dial *170# for MTN Momo. Now fe was select a 4-digit PIN number, then you re-enter that number to confirm it. After this, on some message I confirm your activation. But in an unlikely event, as a message now pop up. Now wabomodern contact in various digital channels now say where you see my MTN app on for further assistance. She also say the ultimate link here. Your bank account to your Momo wallet to make life even more easy. MTN Momo is your fastest, secure, and most convenient way to transact business today. Terms and conditions apply. Just Momo it everywhere you go. Afe mom's recipe sunflower oil. Come on. When you be sa, e ma fie ye de. We say fie bed den so anache say kitchen hall de. Kitchen one so bed dan efi niam aye chiche. The kitchen so bed den so and efi mom's recipe sunflower oil. when ya chicken wings be no de achi amachi years and urade wo prepare shito bi na jollof bi na stew bi a wo ye no mom's recipe sunflower oil wo twa wanum at the same time no so no umpom den no so no ejina yi kama pa de ama ye on sizes bi na eti bo modern abowura market ba bia onsa ebeka mom's recipe sunflower oil and yes sir Fred number way for bulk purchase 020-154-3938. That's 020-154-3938. Now on sa account here. Finally, a fast day on my Time Herbal Center or my Time Herbal Mixture for the treatment of malaria fever. Say malaria fever and quadia a Time Herbal Mixture. Ebetuna si deku. Ebia wa wenu ato as a result of malaria na attack wontimi di no appetite ne be san ba mo ayibu kama wona mo ye oya ne ade a waibu ho bete boho tebo ni na beko wo be san agina yi kama pa e na KNG about capsules no wo me mini bia eno so boa na general well-being wetimi asa agina wana mo so yi pa na bibia ko ye dia mo King's Walk Herbal, Repatch Ventures, Rich Jones, Zidos Herbal, ni now can she drug lane bi o afi Ekus Pharmacy, By Class, Larry na with Dema ni now so ewa Shama no benya bi ho. Tribe of Judah ewa Kaswa, Farmer Trust ewa Wager Junction. Yes our phrase 0244-417-669 na wabisem na de oho bia so no onsa etimi aka. Every na so see a burum near the irrigated sports every but ene yeguso ayeron irrigated no na me de mo messages concerning police ni na sem no me de no so ewrewremu because messages na gum de chapo on Facebook. In the meantime, a happy birthday going out to Mr. George Yeboah of Teshi Malik from your wife Auntie Agnes Ejiwa and the children, and the message here says God bless you. All right. Yeshana yama empenifo enkasa na fi yemfa irrigated sports and so and 12 so 106.3 FM na abranti oburu muache. My first time seeing him in 2021. Yeah. And today I feel like speaking English with him because Charlie, he's a fantastic man, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like speaking English with him throughout the show today. So we see how it goes. So
Well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging.
That's right.
And perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. Papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. All right, so straight out we move on to Prophet Kum Chacha.
My name is Prophet Kum Chacha. I'm listing Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kum Chacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. And then straight up to Sissy Chum.
Other for me didn't Sissy Chum. That they be Irrigated Sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me manage na me stress.
Great. And finally to our dear uncle who is resting in peace. Over.
The program one dedication fast sports one Irrigated Sports Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Great. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, like I said earlier, I've got a fantastic man in the studio with me today, and we'll be holding down our Irrigated Sports with him today, actually. So it's just me and him, you know what I'm saying? And it's my first time seeing him in the year 2021, so I want to officially welcome him, and then we set the ball rolling. Big man, good afternoon.
Oh, Jerry, in fact, I don't even know how to describe you this afternoon.
You don't know how to describe me?
Yeah. What I mean is,
go on.
I want to. Yeah. I mean, give you some title.
You want to give me a title?
A title, and let the whole world know that you have started the year with the highest level of, I mean, integrity and everything. Everything okay?
Hobby that's coming.
Oh, you know, when I was coming,
yes,
I was listening to Adom 106.3 of
definitely,
FM.
yeah.
And of course, you know, it's the dial.
Yeah.
And I was touched by your motivational message.
Oh, the message, yeah.
This afternoon. And,
okay.
And of course, you said it's the first of the year.
Yes, the first one for the year 2021. Yeah.
You see, people are holding on to a lot of issues.
Yes.
Which they just have to let
go. Yeah, it's true.
We went to churches on 31st night.
Sure, to pray.
A lot of people praying. In fact, personally, I had to go and play the keyboard, which I've not played song for over 10 years.
To play the keyboard at church?
Yeah.
And were they able to sing?
Oh, it's my talent, you know. I'm multi-talented.
The multi-talented.
If not multimedia, like I will be the multi guy in the world. The multi guy in the world.
So tell me, how did you go at church?
Oh, it was super.
On 31st night.
It was super. The only challenge was that I've not been playing for.
Were there some prophecies at your church as well?
Not too much prophecies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Ours was to break and cramp and
all your enemies
from the road because we are entering 2021.
Sure.
Yeah. So it was super. Okay. But your message is super.
Yeah.
Super duper.
Yeah.
I mean, it's true.
Yeah.
Jerry, we can't start the year with coronavirus issues. When someone was having coronavirus in 2021 and the person is still alive, don't hold on to the person that he will give you corona when he comes close to you.
Oh, okay.
Leave those things around and let it sink.
Yes. You don't have
because
to sing
you
with
want
that.
to sing with it, you will sing with everything attests to the fact that this year Kwame or whoever cannot match me boot for boot when it comes to English on irrigators.
He's listening.
He has
to. He's not feeling all that well.
No, but he has to.
He had to take a day off.
And he has to
take care of himself. Himself.
Everything is in order. Everything is in order. But a lot of players were wishing their loved ones happy new year.
You mean the footballers?
Yeah, your old friend, your own friend, Enokedu Kofi.
Yeah, Enokedu Kofi. Yeah, I was talking to him yesterday.
Yeah, and I saw one of his stories around, and I mean, the guy he's super guy.
Yeah.
I mean, let's just pray for him.
Enoch is a fantastic guy.
Yeah, Enoch, he's a fantastic guy. And then Patrick Chumesi, the Black Star player.
Sure.
Also, I mean, for now, I think they are giving.
He's doing well over there in Hanover 96. And then I saw something. I think is it first 11 or something?
Yes.
They've
team of the week.
Him, in the team of the week or something.
See, every week we have team of the week, and this is not the first time. He has been in the team of the week almost like even 4 consecutive times last year.
Wow, that's good.
And he's starting like this year. I think he has a future.
Sure.
Patrick has a future.
Yes.
So Jerry, let me do it small, and we move on because we don't have enough time. So when you speak English, sometimes the time goes too much.
And there's a guy, John from Fort Omunya Town.
Natama you movie. Tama you movie. They don't have that
time. Let's push it small.
Yeah, small.
Okay, my
but we be fine.
Oh yeah, be under.
Oh, why not as the one here show you?
Now, that's how we be fine the film now.
It's a time, no. What the time was yes, with Obia best the fact that you are not in me, no.
Yes, the person not singing with you.
You will not sing with me. You are singing alone. So You can go ahead and laugh.
I got you.
No man so did them. No man did them. In fact, let me video be a memo na Ghana for nyina hwe bi. A video be a yemfasa suban ne hye afinase. Debi. Ebi mo ha chese utu omfo no no mo poso on baby and enye so untimi ma afina ya hyase ne ya hyase yi video no eye video bi a obi obehwe bia no
Safwa Rosemont on Facebook says Kobe cannot speak the English wadre.
I can speak it petty. It's not wadre all the time.
But if it comes to
she there is petty wadre. 2021 the men in the baby say
Kobe guy Junior also on Facebook says this year there Kobe Stone English is on point. I'll bet my left hand
your left what
but in the same kumba to so
on yes
and they are comment
easy and come up be blow Jerry
come on dey be o
come on hopa and na me yase opening anyhow anya kwame but opening angasa edu ba bia oka kotoko asema no mpese obi abeka so kotoko yetima Ghana fo nyina dodo na do makoma so especially omo chitafo ne de
Fred Kumi says Kobe Stone the brofo hine.
Yes, I am the brofo hine. Yes, I take that and I respect that. My brother, thank you very much.
In fact, you are getting a lot of fans here, Charlie. The way that they give you fans for
the fans Facebook. I have, even last 2020 wasn't small fans, and I'm now in 2021. You see all the fans,
Charlie,
fans coming over.
You don't easy. Mary says, Kobe Stone, speak tree, please.
Mary, you can tune off. There's not any big issue. You just tune off. When I go there, you come back.
Patibo say, yeah, come on, cry. Hey, you bad. Come, you spoil everywhere. You spoil everywhere on Facebook, Charlie. No be easy. I'm the hard guy. Kwame Alfred says the motivational message again. Debbie. Again.
In fact, me angasa can be requested second part. Second part. Obi
say again. And Anastasia Boatin or say this is powerful. God bless you for the message. And then Krista Ajiman or say I love your motivational message. Mary Ameya say good talk, Brad Jerry, for your advice. Okay, you Mama Nijuna, Mama Ninja, Mufanya Juma. Very important.
So dear Juma.
Yes, Mufanya Juma na.
Mufanya Juma. And the second part now
second part. Okay, Tieni or say ships don't sink.
Yes.
Because of the water around them.
Unsa okani say no. First one.
Yeah.
Okana say Jerry na idea is seems so there. Then I guess because of water na ship near the team anwema e be sink ana
na say na dey go see desert so
I mean it won't until so the second one be personal
and not say ships sink because of the water that gets in them what I say it's in a crack no or say don't let what's happening around you get inside you
no
and weigh you down
e ho na point na ngasa
was a ba mu pe na Obeko.
Obeko down. Obeko down. Nipa bebre fese yagazo modu e yama enyo. O de white me na. Yagazo ko joge. O trema coronavirus abazo ko joge. Na ko joge. Na yete me akwabi o take an eji wo be. Pia wo pia grofo. Pia wo pia grofo etereche.
Okazo
yes. The people shoot me hijack you. What trans na no get said the car.
Peggy
you also send now by a quite done a fan there down. Share. One what trans no so peggy. Oh my. Then say factory which me so ma chere pepepe etu nim na yekese na so ba and no be face so pa ba we nyina omu nyedua sa de we nyina ento
but Kobi yebako anim
komo bebre
yeko anim no ansa na obeba no na ye di kan de video bi atudwa
okay
video no amafo de adwenkyere ba o
okay
police ni
police ni do
there be no police officer okay. Any checks
okay
ena o stop a car eno hu say I say near man ko yi nti obo akiri kakra to say police officer so motor checks here on the road here
okay
it was so on driver na kasa so hwe ne licenses ne ade no eno hu oba na o te front no now the near cost no dey oh wow but who dey cost car no and o che driver na say obesre na onsi form
driver na onsi form
na on peda ne san kosoro na on hwa ade ti driver no so yes on hwa driver no na no say tuo bi a che no bibia ni no
okay
and also o ba no so ye den emra no so yes na oba no so ye ya ti oba no so yes awie no
nya police na ye ni
na police na o hwa bibia
o se oya oba
no de wan check no oba de o man de nsa gu ka no osoro keke wan fa ne san kan oba no ti owie no ka kire abranche say ana oba yi onim no hi say no so one na say omo hihye ho ane ane no say wan ya ron ache no so won ya
and it says that very no so na yi no wasa fa no
ti no na no so na ne bag na wo inside no say no so onyi oba no bag na mra bonten to yi ba no so ni phone no so on fan kan ho ti ogene ne man na no de gu fo mo kwan no wa no kire abranche say on tra ka num na ontu na on to
station
ana on no ba bi o ko no on to ageni ni so
okay
and abranche to ageni ni so
and oje
oba no ti no ka tra oba say ti de ekoso ni say we de uni hwe kan o ti say na chese oba na police ni ire ti no ka chese ne on friend maame oba ne friend maame na o ma ne maame mra mefa ono oba ne ne ma aka oba ma no
enti ne ire na driver na enti
na driver no e de adwuma no
ono ne girl no
so ati ase na we na nkrofo chese ebinum chese police ni no oya de ne ma ne broso dodo e de binum so chese oyo obi o wabo trepa wabo adwuma correct pa but wo no wadwen kire wade wo the way police ni conducting no how do you see it
police ni so no chese make say ni seriousness of form oh Jerry
analyze seriousness
it's true because se wa we yere na ono obi na ekọ na wa ni nipa na ka kire o se ne girlfriend ye o se ne girlfriend wa zo ho ba hu oba wa
say wa de ya ni
o so yin no ma ni nyina mum no on ye de o megina ho de na driver ne mfa nko ana wo je driver no ma
the ordinary number there also abrante ndo nko no ba bi
on fa ne ho che like won ko ba bi oba no nse ka wa won
ne yire no so nse ka wa won
ese nko ye da wo discipline driver ne kasa
ese ka police no nti e wo na ye police na ga we
I would discipline the driver so
saying which kind of discipline are the money
Jerry Kroma na yen ni mbra na nkofo fa nkofo yire no me ade na echichi wom no enyo wo wani so ni se wo search no no ene bi asebe bonsam tawai paper ba kokura na hye no anka wache no
yeah
se bonsam tawai se paper ketu
peace bi kakra de won ho
ene se no ho kura anka beka se wache no na wo awo yire wa be wi awo yire ti se akonfa mo ma
se
ade awo use the kakra no what you chance won go I mean how who does that no it's not the case me boa
it would you say esenka otimi de sake kan kakra o chere bibi kakra du atiwa
what money who so we are no
not no counter back
o de no counter back o de man ntra o kakra bu na emmo be 6 hours bi
Kofi Asiedu on Facebook says Kobe Stone you sport there
say bi no bi awia wa ti say wo yere
and na
e bi na on pen yere no
Dove Green o say I go beat am e go je Fifi Benji or say the police are peacemakers and then Patrick Achu solo I'll say, Brad Jerry, don't ask Kobe Stone if it were him. You go kill them. You go kill them all.
Now some great.
Asara Mwako. Honest was say Anke ono there. By now, the driver is in the morgue. I just say, oh, why funeral?
No, but Nyasempa. Driver no so idea. Police in the idea pa. Said that now will come from the other side.
Yeah.
O share abutra wa. MCC your money post. Your tuna post mo. Police no.
Okay, yeah. Crawford Castle police no deserve abaso bopa.
I say bon abaso.
Abaso bopa.
Because want me kran carry anchiro. Na police for mu sense na betimi control mo say. If you more police for na mu. Akwa na say o stop that we wo a. When you na uti tale kai ho. Ah on ne popo wo police.
And then you crowd.
Police for say. What's stop with that change now on any mates?
We will be a fire.
Oh, we will be a fire. Once we
crowd just you can stop with that police.
When Yaminipa, police will come.
Emmanuel Solis, their trust. Or say, Raja, it looks like it looks like my son wants to play tricks on me. He says they have been asked to buy their own school uniform since he's going to SHS3. And no one has a saying uniform.
Uniform. If you actually buy your tricks, they say, go buy your school. How many? It would be squat and answer. Sink out. Mami oba na be na send message.
Let me check it.
Check it.
Message you cry.
Oh ya sink cry before the show finish.
There we are, Bema.
Oh there we are. Mo nyesa. I'm glad this school fees not that squat na atrefia.
That's all this sink you.
Oh be man cry dey sink there be tofu from man. Problem be any
21 what dollars were US or say like we all go die. Say oh no.
We say I deal with police for no. Now we na say. I am go for me you no.
Sunday say
we for.
Ayi for.
Na kadava ni do obo say na no. Ono nkata titi ani.
Mema mamu titi bi. One dey.
Kabo say driver ni o titi ani no easy.
O ka so tu kan kokran kan.
No ho. Obeta kan esi 190. No ka obet me ani say.
Sunday say do say the most painful part of all this is the confirmation that he dey eat your meat. I say, hey, Kwaku, that alone can make you particularly impotent. Sakwana Aja too say he dey die town.
Would you pass? I will see you one or young wedding. I
do, as I said, so on no more life now.
What do your word, member?
So no quan it you so what do your word, member? And I get too fine. To
me, Bona, you know, I can say, how damn you say. And I said, sending a couple of or the edge, man, man of and you're fine. A man of money be. The blue or crab is our woman. Ubonsa driver no so no nim say lady
and na me can etina police ni kra no me sure say no tina e bia
o ka che so
take action bia
because so we hu bibisa kra da
because tie
enti afono
enkrofo bebre enti na me show video we and dem me can won say woni obi e shampna twen ase a aya background check na ebubo chiri hwa ansana because enye nipa na ede no kre ewura mpna twem from start na
and I will try to ba ko na
just all the twat
just to be 40 years so who yes so now be say house na egu
oh do na nka no kre
ento twa ntro first one say nkrim
okitekita busa de
ya kan endo ho no eso do ho ano je ba ko di gina ho say ya
e bia na ade man yi wo ho as na games so on why and put on said day to also the bema unimo na wudi echi na wudwagu eso say na enye sa na tie ti wa anye checks ni ya
man angasa
so betimi e shepa ese man boy ma adwuma na
in as much as I checks a man so moye ni ehunu kura wo e fa ye hu koto we police ni wanya botre e na mai wo to share ne so ene bia the other side
so we come here
ya e come here te man moye
ya na mabwa me man na
21 omo
adwuma na emre
omo me hu se no kura ni se na tie
da benkum a musi benkum
da ni fa na on tre ma o me sa Jerry
asem we dey edu
asem dey here
mommy say concerning the policeman's issue no I think he is impotent
and you are just an honko there
onim say bia be ma na yini nya adwuma but even if na de ne nya adwuma kra na ade ya de we
waware wo no
unim say no mom kra no anka betimi ama na ne yamo ama anka betimi ateki action no eno ho abufuo kro betimi de aye abrantie ne bibi ana hu de aminchi o ka say ade ya mintimi yusu yi
eno kra pa
na chese wo asi ache na wo yusu wa kra nko bebo akwana ni so
eno kra pa
but still an one carry
eno kra
Adrian papa ade we de minim sa abotre level na abrantie ne ekurum no na abotre no ano ohye papa
ebi mu abotre
ibu abotre
nipa bi abotre angasa njende
me say mu abotre pa but
this particular idea
abrantie we di no minya hui say ebi to me krade say na me
angasa so me abotre pa but this
one no Adrian
very consensus I will not take it for anything. Asemu. David. Name bo wa.
One aka was who does that? Adrian.
That is Mamemfa we intuja. Unse ene ya me no kase CAF Champions League matches bebre koso.
Okay. But
china nyame adoma kotoko ebo. Ghana fo nyina e bon pa ese.
Money my dakwa. Osi Jerry. Na ene no news about Andre ana.
Andre played just last week.
Oh, sir.
Yeah.
And then you didn't tell us about it.
No, he has been the key man and the integral key player of Swansea City. And he still remains the same. And he Andre is still alive. Andre is still playing. Okay. And he is still the captain of the Black Stars.
Sure.
It's one to the ball. But I'm a story no go me Andre kwa. Na ma sorry ko. Andre says
na me kan message we net to us on fixtures. Say fixtures na dey be mine na. And dey course.
Say dey course finance here.
Okay, so Richard Natty Nobi or say I am not surprised now. But you Jerry Pa, you are speaking as if the policeman is a black man, not knowing he's white. As for them, they are emotionally well equipped, not our unemotionally equipped, politically infiltrated security system.
As for one more
yes, I don't know. Our black police, telling message, yes, I'm clicking to see more cries and go. Or say, okay, I'm in trust because our black police would have killed him and said he pulled a gun. Oh, okay, that's why he killed him. Son of person say
because video na me hwe ni na say this
but I do be am me anwen sa adwen kra say
na me ma ba kwa example kroma yi
say
stop ni ya was say
see
I
do agree but see for all you know a black person can also do this. What I say?
A black person, not a Ghanaian.
But you, Irene, as also Michelle also say, Bradley, the policeman didn't do well, or do because what is okay no, because what if something happens to the woman? Well, he said the woman is the wife. Why the insurance?
No. Unim say Adom anim he ya multimedia anim he. Police for be di trotro bi achia be yin kofo ni siwa. Aya.
Obey passengers ni siwa.
Obey wo munyina si so chinchacha police ndi driver ni ndi na chimfa ne nko. Che de na ba passengers yi pacho o mayenko. Now the we are up a crash in the license was here. Me license obey the driver. One year chese wo mu gina hajina be 2 hours no mu da so gina anima enti ye ha ne de this particular one Jerry e be dem pa so se bi si okru mu ha so be hu na de na waka chance wo wonko da ba ne ko free
Joel Jerry on Facebook says, "Brother Jerry, I've been listening to you for the past 10 years, but only 2 weeks ago that I've seen your real face." Me face no one am the way. OTM is picture face for friend. ATM had their course na you go anim.
Jain say team no e kodu ye no come team ye training.
But Tina na white asem you okay so. Ba wo video na police no okurade to no or say obisa question or say Jerry was the policeman not having gun with him anyway? Professor Chese on one like I'll shoot the man keke. After all die be die. Over fire. Okay. No, I told you krabi pa.
Told you krabi. I said to nyeni nyina na kitoma ya na buba umu.
Anyway, but aboba nim to nkwa nko betimi di to na abobo ni ti.
So do me no.
Betimi ade ahwehwi nti obetimi ama ne ho apopo kakra. Ba wa ye we.
Akwa ba ku bi amata eko. We ko not sport bi boni uniform ni bi bia. No wa wi bi ne to se no. Ubi so say hey, bi enyi mo.
Amafo so de adwinche ya na atima gi ken. Sunday so say betimi aba say bia na police ni no. Ni tuo no so nya adwuma yie.
Ni tuo ni nya adwuma yie doesn't mean say
obetimi anya sa abotre no so.
Obetimi anya sa abotre no.
Ena san so kra na akobeka se enye hwe betena kanu na mensan fa ho emya kofie. So hu. Ba we de wan san fa oba na nko wo se oba ne nka nhye ne maame ofre ne maame. No mo nna ne ho ofie na oba ne meyi ne niam mfini fie nko.
Mini o ma driver no call.
Mini waja na no no. Because
what morning go
who's on the one watching plenty
morning go we but
and they complete what is that
morning go we pray now say unim so be ja no so say dava ne go
e ka say say why
but no mebu ho a e hwe hwe ni yi
sure
unim say said antima mama ne Sandy Muka obu ho a sebi said ya ne yire anase ne ho kafo ti no so konyo obu won chen a etimi koyie ma ne chen na ho kan
o ende sisi da bia esisi be da bia
o jaje enti ya no nkira se won so na ho kan no be ka se na yi ne nya adwuma ayi adwuma ba yi se o
ebi ayi adwuma pa but obitimi ode ma mi twa so no
obi na be ma aye ya
ebi wa unse obi wa e bia oni obi a romping na e bia chi wakwa akoware but etimi ya na wa yes o chale na se de me fa yi de se de o ndiana wo ko de boy no hwe yi a no be sansan de aya so mi kan wa ko ware o eso na wo be san be property eno so de eye no go e so de
2020 na de o mo ye pa o mo property sa
enye
is it 21
dangerous o dangerous e man wa hwe yi a obey ya mo se wa ma property na fi wo na
esa so wo su no ma bebre ewo life ni mo su no ma bebre
and
James time na so but dem come na me di ja akire ni say players no e boycott to training
sir
players no ni nya ne say one 2 matches bi o mo win ye last one crowd o mo ko win against Dreams FC before and the one say management ntimi amawom sa winning bonus no kra na because that time no na wo match kase pa mienu da wanim against Mediama and against Ahila for yawo anka no wako winning da wu a wako se dream sets wo da wu a wantimi afa no winning bonus amawom besi ende momfa ma players no omkodu ye so ompa DM momfa ma wan oh na boys nsende and the lalai the CCU no do wonkoye no wono wokoye na o WhatsApp na won few so okoya no kwaji hotel fufuro no okoshim no ja team ni so another hotel afi one friend na so o de obi ani mo bia o friend na won senka no entiende ya tese ya tamus ka Africa Kumase tese de si o Brazil 2014 no a players ni say yentuom ka o mmo no ya tamus ka so Africa Kumase e de akopie mu Sudan ene de akosovo no enti a chande kotokono eni da so nim
but ato dan so baby eni da so ni na ya na mwatimi free ball
there is am we there
so
I will not give you that hope
it does agoya okosu komoshi wotrotu mi o say enyon number o si o ba se ja o nya victim why to throw through na onya kora o masa o David o David o de twa so me se me wo throw meet me nkasa de me si as me si ani edi nkomo wo so ntia se mo as me si ani edi nkomo o me te throw ukuru kura ba be throw na so de na o be ya ma owi o ende
ka ukuru na so bi abetrinity
owi o ende ko na pe na me ma na throw no obi a he mama we number o so enyo number
na ni good
to your number. We say I brought your number. And your number. And your victim.
Guarantee, Mammy Facey, na Dr. Scassem, who would hear was circle. One name is Mr. Philip Dankwa. St. Philip Enterprise.
You teach him more.
I'm your teacher and farmer.
St. Philip.
And come with video about Kubian and Campesem.
Oh, yes, you because St. Philip. But I said, Timmy and Koda.
Oh, St. 2021. Say, I'm sure where you've been going or wrong.
Maybe what drop more fair, but
what drop to me now? What drop more fair? Ever sent to 2021, they sent you or slow. I'm 2020 Nangasa or slow kakra, but I no crown will finish here and ye. Kodo of frame say no. We do say na.
Kobe, Asana Belconweno, a Yika crown, or say, please don't mention my name. It means me mentioning name.
Okay. But make me happy.
I would be have the bet. Maybe have the bet. Or say, Raja, please don't mention my name.
Okay.
But a lot of men don't feel they are 10. Tan watch on they are trying to make they are 10 when they are in the house. When they are in the house.
Yeah, they are in the original.
But the moment they start talking to someone,
yes,
they always feel it.
They feel it, yeah. I've not read the message, but I can read it.
What your person channel? Say, oh, why so much now?
Simple.
You say, but
you remember best 10 now. A move best 6.
Or say, trust me, this kind of thing give a lot of like a person just and resulting most side chicks issues. So what I say, because of course side chick or now, put me a fire tail.
So what segment to be out, you know?
Oh yeah,
I think Tuesdays
confession.
I am my papa.
I say, Argentina. Wow, you know.
I am pa. Say engine no to be was I say enjoy your name normally. In the office outside there no say and obi to make us say and then on here
yes I come so go boni eh you there na no dey na enya do the message back am e bomo abidi na ye shia na ye didi nkomo a yeah na ewo yi okay me ka community ni kura okay so obi a o dey tema o dey ti komo mu ana onya ko obi na okasa wo phone so no so don't worry I'll sort you out maka chose bibia unya bi other catch me yama
yes
ti o wi e pro on the say chama na why na no chale
pressure
makola bia ji manu akora ne boa me papa okay but hey chama
yeah akora ne boa no do the
ai o si hwe
akora ne boa me papa
Edu baby na me say madie no jamanya adwuma. Asini wo kwanso. Sa no ka.
Bebre wo ho.
Ose edu baby na.
Bebre wo ho.
Say na de na asini wo kwanso. Ose mishia small girl. Ay ja.
Anoncho ye kakra bi odigun ho a.
Ose say. Masan yes de.
Ya wo no fofo.
Abebi tell them say, hey, I say
I am bebre wo.
Hey, chama.
Bebre wo.
O say asan say the osan you no.
Bebre wo. Jerry bebre wo. Enti no.
But munyai say the chama Rollins guy. Munyai sa de no.
Munyai. Wa mo tisa ni nyina munyai. Munyai na. Afu ya yesu ni empese do bia besenke. Montratra
omo ho saa na moni omo be krokrom ga kra ene ade maya mu youth time ya ade ya na ene kokra bi mu bu person performance dey mu guzu you yeah there sir all right then first I can say man Mastercard say and can show say on the official sponsor of the UEFA Champions League na ni nyina mu no bibia ni a we use Mastercard down say bebia be sort out come na bibia so etimi akoye e dia ma or say the first whistle is just the start of something priceless, so don't just watch it, leave it. As they do young from Nokia or the Android smartphones abedra so it is doing so well. You're on Nokia 1.3, Nokia 2.4, you're on 2.4 now, you're on 64 gig and so Nina yaman more megapixels into unya beautiful pictures and videos come I bring na long lasting batteries and so now it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and other apps not perfectly well on sa account there when the bedroom pa would when it a baby a phone shop be our on sa a bit me account or dear or call Georgia phones or dock or traffic lighter Pina or Mrs. Obin best sort out come up Nokia it just keep getting better now. Comfort Osu was you guys are so funny and you are really making my day. Peace Pogo on the they were try I irrigated and then press lab watch it or Kobe Stone no size and then Faith come or the Bradley very consensuous Kobe Stone bro for no the consensuous. Radiozi. Mawu. Yeah, to us when you fast day yo. My Go TV. Now Go TV American shows big things are great, so don't settle for small things. Nina said they Go TV watch me I enjoy the best football leagues on Super Sports. It's I said the boys are back in town. Now men's like a mouse can Go TV decoder full set for only 109 Ghana cedis. Obey so upgrade to Go TV Max. You see not just when you're the best in sports, best in entertainment, best in football near La Liga and Syria are near the no just a live need regua yes I feel na na pabo baby. Wow fee now I enjoy all Go TV so bet me I connect to our bro using my Go TV app, pay by the point and I say any mobile money agent BR or bell Go TV, leave it, love it, and also a share kakra yeah a woho no na ye to asuna ye koye anymore membo we achiwa kakra so penny the house thing on there you have to psych up yourself before go jack up. Our wives go give you pressure, the thing self is shy to even jack up. So we go out now at least 3 minutes near there. Hey, I can't read further. Hey, our wife want to send this anyway, bow. Today now best I'm saying Munya Butro. Na pesi didi ofia ye nkwa bonten esrem bebre esrem why my fancy na messages me ka say be di echa e don so papa Facebook there no ba de guso ba amanfo edwade gum e ho no sa it's impartial. I mean sometimes when you are down and you know alone near the or call you on Facebook or no now or they call messages amount for there, but some of the comments will make you laugh. If you are not having a good day, you can go there and have a good laugh. What I say, when you so go to Facebook, net check here and see Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook, and then read the exciting comments amount for there. Some of them, like I said, it will make you laugh. So if you're not having a bad day, or they just go there. You have a good laugh and it will make your day. And no one say more and no. Yentwa Jumedino eso na yanko yenim.
Nokia smartphones are banana. Obia guso kanwasem. Nokia new Android smartphones email more megapixels, more memory, and more ultra pictures. Ni videos pop baby. Phones here fast. So browsing, woko Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I will streaming video. Umi as well. Nokia batteries here. We are singing a D1 dance you. What charge ya? A Giraso and is a Giraso. Share when you budget new Nokia Android smartphones in Opa. NTG Nokia 3.4 with 64 gig memory. And Nokia 2.4. They were 32 gig memory. And 64 gig memory. Nokia 2.4 with 30 megapixel back camera. Then 5 megapixel front camera. There were 4,500 milliamps battery. 6.5 inch screen. And Android 10. What to be upgraded called Android 11. To Nokia phone ya. Or full show BI bell.
Me network mafia me. I was send me the mobile money. See me with our cash card. Charges some 380 cedis. We send this can kwa charges no. Wait there some $10 so. Me niati. So we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Me say me network need there. We send this ka was our network no so no. Yet we send this ka free with network no so akwa network for no. And no so yet na mum ti asem dead pa. We send this ka with Vodafone cash so. Free. What's send this free Vodafone cash? I got network BR swap and so you free. Masa into work catch me. What that's so you then was sour network and no so move for bra Vodafone cash says hey masa you shape not to ball musisi I know say there what's send this Vodafone cash so I got network BR swap and you free. Send this do BR and prend do BR con network BR so free. Dial *110# says in the send this
The future is exciting. Ready?
Baba. Onyawo de. Ofie Kwanso. Ofie Kwanso. With the man, Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3. Minimanade mano. Pari binade mamo. Minimanade mano. Oti pari binade mamo. Aseme chichi for gentlemen cheme ya loboko. Aseme chichi for gentlemen helviti for baba. Minimanade mano. Oti minimanade mano. Aseme chichi for gentlemen helviti for baba. Minimanade mano. Oti minimanade mano. Aseme chichi for gentlemen cheme si for baba. Now they never friendly e. Never say that's in the be. Never say I'm about to take one. I'm up on consuming anything. And they never some that think it collect. No boost the energy for work. They were high on the low grade minimum domain and they red. And the scientific research is ultimate asthma and cancer. Ultimate epilepsy and the painkiller. Tell him is a rasta for answer. And then the lawyers use doctors use so your police in a piece legalization na a issue where are they minimum ademano but minimum ademano as the message for to me help me see baba minimum ademano but minimum ademano as the message for to me help me see baba I the monkey selection as a pede so the ratata Samini say high grade achema kwa kesili one baka next time boy see the beam eja beam so that's some baba that's a crazy man one better than no say shut up body shatata bodo the we body nobody can stop the system woman the high grade when I young that say boya ya man Bible say you dey abana you use a hata on fasa yala bana fiade na rasta man chiche ka krebi the fage na kuti say hey macho on the bank na the water me think you collect see rasta see meditation see the biala na rasta the beg but we hear legalization have I high the high school feeling the straight with the the last two I'm gonna be the
Daily Justice.
Ofie Kwanso, with the me, Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3.
Yeah, boy. I got the air for me home back home. And for me home back home simple. And then I'm for and I should be me day. I got the air for me home back home. Been who been kika, been brown or be magic. Been who been kika, been brown or be magic. Been who been kika, been brown or be magic. Been who been kika, Baby, baby, I go. Baby, baby, I go. Baby, baby, I go. Make the one of my was baby, baby, I go. Baby, baby, I go. Baby, baby, I go. Make the one of my was yeah. Sadio mo frafra wa for in kase no dia na boy simple and I want you find I'm a sugar daddy and me abri me who mo bin kika me brown mo be magic da me who mo bin kika kwa baby baby I go 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 next door my west baby baby I go 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 next door my west
why you wada my relationship me afa I feel no better than from wajama baby baby I go why you wada my relationship me afa I feel no better than from wajama
Prime Media.
If you have my colleague, then go to hear you for Port Harcourt. And if you have my for Accra, then go to hail you for Takrady. Everybody has struggle to climb ladder. Conductor want on driver. This when don't need you don't come power. All the rappers they want tagger. But with the jahe, you can't spoil my party. Stay with the jahe, with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3
You know go fit boy party. Brana ya money me go be in the race. Me ya me car owner ya me driver ya mate. We coming in straight, no two ways. My fault say me I would die. Why do you hate like Moisha Lofo? You pray make a fall. So I do nunti don't je be da call. Me share see I make up from not at all. No malam no papa mun kwase them solve. Lesson need flu then you keep stressing, pressing, but my name can't stop stretching. So me dressing, brethren, mini hit be a soul. But see the shows I'm getting. Despite be okay, nothing I get. For me any I will prove. Papa beg. I can't put the person one but them a yak wet. Like so poor people know. Mr. My let. Rapanaba, Junior me issue and don't venture to pay me a fake back to sender. Yes indeed.
With the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3.
You can't spoil my party. Say with the guy, you know go fit spoil party. Oh yeah, hold your whiskey, I hold my wine. We hustle, you blow, hey, still we be one. Why you dey hate on brother man? I say jelly, if we fall we go right. Mr. Hater, they your leg. If you don't go help us, stay away. We dey climb day by day. We want package like they can. I say they your leg. If you don't go help us, stay away. We dey climb day by day. We want package like they can. We dey you can't spoil my party. You don't go fit spoil party. With the you can't spoil my party. You don't go fit spoil party. You don't go fit spoil party.
With the jaye, back energy men me away. Just a wood winyan, committee de be a candle. Now walk on a pie, but you only papa and yammy a train, yam far gone, bema, by. With the family, you know, this step.
Uni Adajia, Bema disperse. One fear someone I couldn't have do my side, but still we did the respect.
If you hammer for Lagos, then go to hear you for Port Harcourt. And if you hammer for Accra, then go to hail you for Takrady. Everybody has struggle to climb ladder. But doctor want on driver. This when the rich don't come power. All the rappers they want target. But with the jahe long, you can't spoil my party. Say with the jahe long, Cindy no go fit spoil party. But with the jahe long, you can't spoil my party. Say with the jahe long, you no go fit spoil party.
See where I go, where I shot, where I slim, where I fight, where I like skin on melanin. Baby, step in a circle and dance to the beat. Where I Angelique Kiddo, Monica Benedicta Ocaro, or maybe Manjari Coco. Baby, step in a circle and dance to the beat. Show body, show body, show body, my African lady. Show body, show body, African lady.
With me and Jerry Johnny on Adom 106.3.
My best in the boom boom. You're rolling with a rock star, oh, boom 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 boom. Shake it for your man, oh, Juliana. Break it for your hand, oh, Maria. Shake it for your hand, oh, Juliana. Shake it for your hand, oh, Maria.
Yeah, and now you for move like a this. Body so bad, make us speak Japanese. Konnichiwa, wa ginger the flow. Nana, Baba never seen that before. Walai, try you for slow down now. Where you program that? How you move your hand around like a pole dancer? The most sought after. She call it cut my eye. But I refuse to talk. She mami what I find. See, Kele no be issue. I get beauty queens down in Mogadishu. So talk about that make her feel you. Or make her get to stop in the family. Wait now.
With the me and Jerry Johnny
on play.
Adom 106.3.
Bad guy. Kwame Eugene. This way do when you hear and stop. Oh yeah.
Show body, show body, show body, my African lady. Show body, show body, show body, my African lady. About body party, the tum tum, and you dance it with every gymnast I used to this way. My best in the boom boom. You're rolling with a rock star, oh, boom 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 boom. Shake it for your man, oh, Juliana. Break it for your hand, oh, Maria. Shake it for your hand, oh, Juliana. Break it for your hand, oh, Maria.
Oh my baby shake it, get the poto poto. Oh my baby shake it, get the poto poto. Oh my baby shake it, get the poto poto.
Baby girl, me I no go lie. When I see you, then I did.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Like I touch you, I dey think about you every night. You over me, girl, I no go lie. Cause they kiss you like I kiss you. I see me so. Me so. Oh, I say one by, that you me. Me who say one in one, I'm you. Oh, I say one by, that you me.
Ofie Kwanso, with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
If you control it, yeah. Baby, I'm jealous. Make so jealous. Girl, I make so jealous. I know if you control it, yeah. Lately I just see you make happy without me. You treat you better than I did, but you feeling like a queen. Oh baby, lately I just see you make happy without me. You treat you better than I did, got you feeling like a queen. Oh, I say one by, that you me. You say one in one, I'm you. Oh, I say one by, baby, I'm jealous.
This is the strength of a woman. Ain't nobody better than the boss chick. All
all the ladies with the fight for the moolah. What the wolf want nobody for touch, but she did the front quick. Self-made. What the challenge she but she did well paid. On the boy she looking for help mate. Cause she did the suffer from sulfate. And when you were hell late, she go pull up on you. For some friend and I want my work cause I wanna say good day you my yard. I'm a hang up on you. Who you want ban I would them who I'm gonna take and I would die. I got love.
Ofie Kwanso with the man, just on Adom 106.3 FM.
My last one CD I got bet on. You got my body type and I just any girl can go the place where you can go. Girl are independent and you buy your own things and no man never rent you no can do. Where you come so far. 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 Where you come so far.
You can never pull a strong woman down. She got it all within the shoe and I was sorry. Very confident, she never wear a frown. On Pessy Kabuja no crash, you don't go worry. Oh yeah, the dream I got the money on her own. Then you nature crash, she go treat you like a king. But you don't get it if you don't deserve the throne. Man, I come across money anything. We ain't come on, man, I'm gonna shop you what you buy. I'm gonna find my baby come to multiply. We ain't do my back, got another on the side. Oh, you know my girl, she got me taking for a ride. You know go if you pay the price,
yo. Me, I got the love for you. My last one CD I got that on. You got my body type and I know just any girl can go the place where you can go. Girl are independent and you buy your own things and no man never rent you no can do. Where you come so far. Where you come so far.
I saw them wake up every day in the morning. Very strong after yawning. I did pray to Baba. Make it a bless my heart to no Papa. See, I no one depend on anyone. I won't make money on my own. See my hard work alone. Make it a bless my heart to no Papa. Some people go slave, go fraud, but no one do none of their above. Me, my music is all I do. So bless me with hit upon hit. Some people go steal, others go depend on the men for their success. But my trust is in you. Make it a bless my heart to no Papa. We dey hustle for their paper. You know the money don't come in later. Hustle for the paper, CD and dollars. I'm up on the phone. You know the money don't come in later. Money's the root of evil, but poverty never go be optional. As I dey work for money, make money alone go be my portion. We go there wanna grind with the hustle, go pay, we go count the money. Somebody go tell mommy, make she not cry, make she smile for me. Yeah, I gon' make her proud, I gon' make she go drive for the ring and the bend. So all I need be the strength. So make Baba God go have me some sense.
This is Adom FM. This is Jerry Justice.
And the bend. So all I need be the strength. So make Baba God go have me some sense. So we hustle for that paper, CD and dollars. You know the money don't come in later. Hustle for the paper, CD and dollars. You know the money don't come in later.
So when you see me talking about this money, I will see my eyes, don't see my brother. No, they change up for me. When you see me talking about the house and cars, I will see my eyes, don't see my brother. No, they change up for me. Cause that's the way don't suffer, suppose get sense. I see they walk hard, then you suppose you sense. If them close all the gates, you suppose your fence. Cause that's the way don't suffer, suppose get sense. I see they walk hard, then you suppose you sense. If them close all the gates, you suppose your fence. Thank God I don't look like what I've been through. Them me won't give me things I don't go fish you. But my bag got the put out everyone.
We dey hustle for that paper, CD and dollars. You know the money don't come in later. Hustle for the paper, CD and dollars. You know the money don't come in later.
It doesn't make sense. But like in the day, me had no papa shame. Simin like it was a Mickey game. Into Yabuja me text and I won't kind of need you. And say I had team train station and come with them. Yasha Hosana Dachi be Bedua.
Ofie Kwanso. Ofie Kwanso. With the man, Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
If you have a team of crown medical, I will you muna me gin ma homachi air park kituna and then you number and bet you me call
baby be shadani baby a question me man can come and did it sabro bravo dia koyesa adio yasmawa
my film my mission to baha Abuchi had your bonsamo or power. Into say would jamu hona said and sako kawa won't fuck you go see just a friend at our dawa. Into my member my homo me pepper. I remember my homo de meya visa. Sister Messi kunu broke kuni. Woka in a betono. Shop the window on our paper. Canada has it no ya and ye easy. Ya boy your homo de nebusia to ye tupe. Famen crack come up with $3 when you say I won't say me. Into me you huti. See I will say I realize me here kata. Oshemia, Abrewana me fata. And so my family and to form Alpha Bibi and Befia. I gonna focus on
baby be shadani baby a question me man can come and did it sabro bravo dia koyesa adio yasmawa
Meni suwa mate Obana me da manji ana kuntu da mesua Hudu me mobona watie maka Mekoya na me bae But yeah, ya intina sa wo bedo me me fa me honka wo ba bia for 4 years if you say shira wo memusi wo je dan kwa ma na me meka masem me ba buro chi na me da fem be ja me do fo wa beka aba be sha wo yi mu we de ntia na nya sika sem obi kokko hwe me do fo ya ma me de sanke bi na me ntime mane e ja me money 50 kura me fa hu dwane de suja fu hu na mane ya fa me kompa e bomu na me do to suban hote me de sell ti se wuti ni pemu na wo bi bo me dia Michael Owusu wunti de na wo ho yawo ma feel dodo ya se mo sem de koso ho na nya sem keto me bill of lady na na ko jama me why
na daba obaya bracket lay and no crapa me do densu my dream me approach
Still reminding you, say, nay, Opesa will activate MTN Momo. Make sure MTN mobile money on your phone. There's no need, say, Obeko MTN office, be an answer. Obeko mobile money vendor, be answer on your mouth. You can do it yourself. And we MTN Momo self activation. Just dial star 170 hash. MTN Momo. Now was selected a 4-digit PIN number. Then you re-enter that PIN number to confirm it. After this, you receive a message confirming your activation. Should that message fail to pop up, please contact our various digital channels or use my MTN app for further assistance. And also, take note, say, you'll bet me a link your bank account to your Momo wallet to make life even more easy. MTN Momo is your fastest, secure, and most convenient way to transact business today. Terms and conditions apply. Just Momo it everywhere you go. Yeah. Don't forget, we did for you everywhere you go. And it's your birthday today, Miss Na Phyllis. Yep. Former Miss Malaika. Immediate past Miss Malaika. Wishing you a happy birthday. This one is coming from Bra Sandy, aka Kwabna Jollof, and then Sarah, as well as Dorcas Brown. They all wishing you a happy birthday. Tema from T4 phone na. And what they are saying in there, they say, have an amazing day, Queen Na Phyllis, Queen of TM. I have brand new beji sapunis kakrawai. Me patrol Tisha, Yasha New Year, I say. Nasa for ya Yasha, say no, as a Wutimiki can name 2 years. Oh, Nasika some etimi ejina brane. And yes, I do. What did he say? I didn't say now 2021 you so a copper baby atre. Na baby atiano anase baby atrano. E wa na ogusu tna. She ben so granny. Na baby out no ha. Baby out. Na baby out no e wa na ogusu tsa. Yeah, so and then you come for Easeway loans. The amount. Yes, Easeway savings and loans. And I come for the amount. And then you try reduction. Your rate no so. Enti loan obeja. I say interest rate ne that's no. And then you have to swap from cry. A 2 beji loan. Easeway savings and loans. Interest are would you loan. And they it's updating our major business. Nasa is what do Nasa business now pass on. On fan question now on chassis. Make you try to I feel Yashas, I know Yadimna Yakron. We are so John Jobbing, not first quarter best and call Nasta when you're to Mikasia. Easeway savings and loans. Nebeji loan. Ne fashion business, Nasa. Na interest now would you on because you're reducing the crowd. Yes, Easeway savings and loans. Emma all government employees. A massive interest rate reduction on loans. And to take advantage of sa offer we are can once a mean. What about a new loan and now what transfer or loan to other institutions? No, loan other institution what transfer their bay Easeway loan. What I say for a cheaper rate. Yet me and sounds me oh, dear me patchy. What to boss ya? Ubetia lower monthly installment. Now what mean your extra money for other items? Pay now per day. Apply now and get up to 100,000 Ghana cedis in 45 minutes. Yes, within 45 minutes. Now on Saka 100,000 Ghana cedis or more. Let me dash your business, Joe. A patch of free Easeway savings and loans on 050-160-5773 and now 0244-914-171. You can also visit the nearest branch today. Terms and conditions apply. Easeway, fast and reliable. My
fellow you have someone send your cost of 100 years and get to a bill of lady and I could jam on the way.
Obaya bracket and no crap on the wood and so my dream approach. I dream back on me.
A happy birthday going out to Her Excellency Mrs. Ameli Olenu Ewa Samoa, Ghana's ambassador to Denmark. May this new season bring you God's best in everything you do. You are loved. Yesterday was your birthday. From your family and Shotu as well. Now for the numero Siaka say what also Adom 106.3 FM. Ghana's #1 radio station, y'all. Hey, sure Baba. Jana say, hey, dear Sandra. When you see it, darling, my one and only. I see you, baby. Yeah, do ya? Do ya? Oh, no, there do. No more a book of moi. And now it's one knows. Street. Featuring Oforian Ponsa, Kim Promise, and Sa Hodie. Oh, Kim Promise, go back, baby. That's mommy, you want to and you mean come on, James Tanjoko? What your feelings are? Other dads, ODO, other city, darling. And I see you, Obede brem do fujame hono ona me huse ma me ya me dono yes wo beto me pana me dade ma me de ntoma fa me hokoda me ncha ka nwoma me bono ma me ya koye malumu dada me si me ni dai e ya lumu kasa odo ne ba ne sa na bia na yomu na sakeke e wo se wo kana hia sa na koko dada be hwe me uzongo laka se sia me timi ndi obi friend ma me na me nche ni bibi ma fi se na ya bo fe me shuti ma me ya bo modern dada me nche na me bibi nsem se ne taisi bana wo be kumi se na me so ati ni pese ni pe bia be hu minim se nya bakoma ba wo yenti na me dia fakila so bi pese bia wo be fu bi brabeda me nche na me paucho me ba besa me papa asa kakra me ya kola no me papa osa na me spine kakra kakra wa pese o me papa asa no bra Facebook me papa kom na mensa onu ti na me pen mu sa no me ya kola no papa no bonu mu sa me papa pen mu so tie mi ojo be dwa no yo chi grass wo boni di already so am na men san no o wa sabi o me be sasa san sisia join me on Facebook nation papa san you so be asa
Cause I'm dead to be trouble. She me know if you're me there. But money on me second. Jenny here market. He love you about them, yeah. Cause I'm baby in a minute. Money of your me, yeah. Since I might be enough in there. Money of your me, yeah. He love you about me, yeah. He never asked for me, yeah. She don't know.
I'm out for a concern. The castle measuring papa sanity. So I'm mobile Facebook when I am my son kitu ebi me son kitu ebi esen ka midina ona me sabat met now sen papa tie num na ne de pa asa osa ne say ya no sa no
do fujame hono ona me huse ma me ya me dono una to me pana me dade ma me de ntoma fa me hoko
oh my goodness
ma me ya koye malumu dada me si me ni
na zo se anum na rewura no pa
na ba ne sa na bia na yomu na
masawie
ya sana koko dada be hwe me uzongo laka se sia me ma me na me nche ni bibi
mo ma me sambo nyu we bie won na odo de edze
me bibi nsem se de
ba sam di kan no se ebuka mu di aya na ya
bia be hu me
ena ebuka mu wi awanhwa esu obesunu se ya na obesunu
oh serious I don't know your program man here to say oh people say me pie kwa juma na so program ni te kwenti say me meni me come de kwaji maso tepu biani oh Jerry justice me tucha ma Jerry me tucha
Prepa ama awukubia boache osi Jerry dance ma asara na masewi Kwesi menu say this is spark dance and pa ampare and ampare or say my belly and dada near day at the chin or say oh the dance is cool, it's cool. Mami AC Kwati. Me pedi oh you know. Was it do your own dance please? Who said I have a dance?
To me pana me dadema
minibi.
Mame hokoda me nchak. Me bono. Mame ya koye malumo dada. Me si me nide jai e ya lumo kasa. Odo ne bane sa ne bia na yomo na sakeke. Wo se wo kana hia sa na koko dada be hwe me wo zongo laka. Se sia me timide. Obi friend mame na me ncheni baby. Mafi say na ya bo frame shooting. Mame ya bo modern beda me nchena me bleeding same say the tie sisi. Bana wo be kume. Say na me swati me pese ni bia be hume. Binim said ya wakoma ba wo yenti na media fakila so me pese bia obu fo me bra beda me nche na me pow tro.
Only me sweet each other. Only baby and I see you baby.
All right, so yeah, and I call. But before we do that, this one here says, bro, I beg shine Nana Kweku Atakra Ameni Ampon, former under 17 World Cup winner, listening to you all the way in Germany now. Okay, shout out going out to you, Nana Kweku Atakra Ameni Ampon. And this one came in from and I said Chris Waddell. Now, if you're Chanson come here, former Black Stars defender, Danny Duce, shouts going out to you. And your Matthias Yomumide, now in Okedukofi. Now, feel so Patrick Chumesi, and Mamun now official power. Mrs. Lordina Bill Gates. Come in, dear. Brother, please do your star, eh? You are too much and I'm crashing on you. Yo, my thing. Veronica Archer Mensa. I'm not supposed to do your own. Share. Dabi, Munyabotre. Victoria Broker said, thank you to